क्लास 8 साइंस का लेसन नंबर 4 मटेरियल्स, मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स। क्वेश्चन 9 है व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन ए dilute sulfuric acid is poured on a copper plate? Answer: copper does not react with dilute sulfuric acid, so no reaction take place. Reaction will take place when sulfuric acid is concentrate. B. Iron nails are placed in copper sulfate solution. Answer: when iron nails are placed in copper sulfate solution, displacement reaction takes place in which iron displaces copper as iron is more reactive than copper. So iron plus copper sulfate ये बन जाता है आयरन सल्फेट प्लस कॉपर। अभी आप इसको नोट कर लीजिए। If you like our video, please share and subscribe our channel.